I never really thought that I was a numbers person. I'm a creative, really. I'm a writer and a graphic designer. My business has evolved over the years, and it hit a spot recently where it just wasn't as profitable as I wanted it to be. I tend to be an underestimator. It's going to take less time than I think. It's going to take, I can get that done fast. It's just a big frustration, and you go around and around, and you wish that you feel like you're not getting back what you're putting into your business. I'm really on my own. My husband died like 7 years ago. And so what it means for me is it's my livelihood. I love Jamie Trull. I just think she is so genuine and personal and honest. One thing about Financial Fitness Formula that was unique that I haven't gotten in any other programs is Jamie's love of spreadsheets. My favorite part about having the spreadsheets is that they organize me. And the one that helped me the most is on pricing and profitability. So I use that all the time. Matter of fact, I was just working on a proposal today where I use that spreadsheet in order to make sure that the numbers were going to be profitable for me. What surprised me the most about Financial Fitness Formula was the community around it, because all of the people in the community were they were so into it and so excited about learning about their finances and moving their businesses forward. It was absolutely worth all the time and money I invested in Financial Fitness Formula. It's already paid for itself over and over. The fact that I'm paying myself more regularly and I'm being able to forecast my income and my whole financial picture, it just gives me a real feeling of confidence and peace of mind that I'm doing things right, and I just feel so much more empowered as a business owner.